overhead lockers as items spare food during the flight. And remember to check all of your seat areas and seat pockets before you leave to ensure you have all of your personal belongings. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is not permitted until you've reached a designated smoking area outside the terminal building. Our customer service staff meet in the flight with please help with any further information that you may require. On behalf of the flight crew, Bonnie and myself, Donna, we do hope you enjoyed your flight with us today, and we look forward to welcome on board a Logan Air flight in the near future. Sign up to our current Logan Air frequent flyer program and earn rewards for all points for every flight that you take. All details on how to sign up can be found on our website, loganair.co.uk. We would like to wish you all a very safe and pleasant on our journey and a very good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, for our customers who do require extra assistance today, we do kindly ask that you remain seated